These are going to be the elevators at one of the Casita's buildings here at what's the name of this place? The Disney Coronado Springs in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. Doing good. This one. Four?
Four, please. Thank you.
Perfect. That's where I'm going.
Thank you.
What floor?
4, please.
Perfect. I'm going there.
Oh, awesome.
All right, go Jack.
Yes.
Here we go.
Are you from Jersey?
No, I'm from Slidell, from Louisiana.
Louisiana.
Yeah.
Okay.
Worried about making it home. We got a storm coming.
Oh boy. It's been kind of like flights have been delayed from New York, everywhere to get into Florida.
Yeah. All right. Go ahead.
This is 3.
Yep.
Okay.
So when are you leaving?
Well, I was gonna, after Friday when we knock off at lunch, I was gonna go back to the room, take 2 or 3 hour nap, and then drive overnight.
Got it.
My mother-in-law was supposed to have a party Saturday for her 90th birthday.
Oh wow,
dinner,
God bless
so
her.
I need to get back for that.
All right.
Yeah, absolutely.
But now I'm wondering if we're even gonna have a party. It looks like the weather's gonna.
Oh, they're talking about a major storm?
Yeah. So.
Wow.
Have a nice day.
All right, nice to
Well,
meet you.
yeah, nice meeting you. Good luck.
And we'll go back down. We'll take another trip up so we can hear the motor. But yeah, pretty much all the elevators here are the exact same, so I'm just gonna film these. This is the Casita's 1 building at Disney Coronado Springs. Here on 1. And these have nice classic leveling. There's your interlock. And we'll go up to 4. Here we go. ADA phone. I'm thinking this is a mid-90s series one, judging by... I mean, this is a newer series one, but it has the older lantern chimes and the beep's really short. Though it does have the newer, the very late series 1 brails. Yeah, look at that ceiling. That's a pretty interesting ceiling. Yeah, pretty nice elevators, albeit a bit basic. And here are in 1. And anyways, these are the Palm Court elevators, and there they go. And that will be it.